Right, okay, hi guys. Okay, I'm going to do the collections, for the orphanages, children born with HIV and AIDS. I've done this in India, Cambodia, Thailand before, so now I'm doing it again in Thailand and Cambodia. And so it's for children that are born with AIDS and HIV. They are abandoned children, their parents don't want to know. They just leave them in a box and leave them at the side of the road, blah, blah, blah. So these guys take care of them, but they don't get no government funding, okay? It's like just what people give to them. So what I do, I go and personally buy. I see what all the kids need, the shoe sizes, clothing, sports equipment, air conditioning, school stuff, everything, the whole spectrum, whatever they need, food, what they need, I will buy. Everything that I collect, I will list everyone's name and what they have donated. And then when I go there, when I buy, I show everything that I've spent, okay, so everybody can see everything is right, okay, and no money goes to the people who run the orphanages, no, because they always say, give me the cash, and no, but I don't do that. I say, no, I want to spend it on myself and make sure the money goes directly to the kids.
You have increased salary. You have better life.
Right, okay guys, I forgot to say, please, give what you can, even if it's a few quid or whatever, okay, but I will go to my normal guys who I go to normally and they always give me big, okay. I'm going to be starting this off as well, okay. I'm going to put some money in. I'm going to be auctioning some stuff, okay, to raise money for this, right guys? So please give what you can. It's all appreciated, and so will the kids appreciate it, believe me, I will make videos of once they get the stuff and everything, you will see where your money has gone. Okay guys, thank you.